The REDTIGER F7NP dashcam dual offers impressive dual recording capabilities with its ability to capture videos in Ultra HD 4000K and Full HD 1080p, ensuring that key details like road signs and vehicle number plates are clearly visible. Equipped with superior night vision, the dashcam utilizes an excellent optical lens with a large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, alongside HDR and WDR technology to deliver clear footage even in low-light conditions. The convenience of the Wi-Fi and smart app control allows you to easily connect the dashcam to your smartphone, enabling you to view, playback, and manage recordings directly from your iOS or Android devices. With its built-in GPS, the REDTIGER F7NP provides valuable data such as driving routes, real-time speed and location, which can be tracked on Google Maps, offering additional evidence in the event of an accident. The dashcam's reliable features for accident recording include loop recording and a G-sensor that locks and saves collision videos, while the 24-hour parking monitor ensures continuous recording even when your vehicle is parked. REDTIGER's thoughtful inclusion of a circular, polarizing lens helps reduce glare and reflections, further enhancing the video quality captured by this dashcam.